Today, we're styling the skirt. There's a lot of mixed opinions on this. I think it's cute, to be honest, but we're gonna style it and see because I'm going to a concert tonight and I want to wear it, so I feel like that could be fun. Obviously, the first piece of the outfit is the shirt skirt. If you didn't see my last video, you basically can thrift two men's button-down shirts, button them down on each other, and it becomes this really long, cute, flowy maxi skirt. Here is Miss Shirt Skirt. Listen, I understand why some people don't like this, but I think it's so fun. I actually got a lot of comments of people saying to take the sleeves and tuck them in and tie them with hair ties so that it becomes pockets. So we're gonna give that a try because I don't know how to sew, so doing the hair tie trick might be honestly genius. You guys might be geniuses because I probably never would have thought of this, but it actually does work as like a really big oversized pocket. But for the purposes of tonight's outfit, I think I'm gonna do no pockets and see how that looks. I have two options for tops. I kind of like a pop of color with it, but at the same time, I also really like how the white looks with it. I feel like it's just very classic and lets the skirt be like the statement of the outfit. I think I'm leaning towards this little white bustier top from Princess Polly. I feel like the shoes are gonna determine the vibe of the outfit, so I have two options. Option one is these little black ballet flats. Option two is these little Steepan campus boots. I'll give you one on each foot. I feel like the boot is more free people vibe, and I think I want to go more girly. We're gonna go with ballet flats. Then we have this little vintage Coach bag that I also thrifted, and I feel like the buckles on shoes are gonna be cute with the bag. All right, here is the final outfit. You either love it or you hate it. I honestly love it. I feel like the collar of the shirts is the cutest waist, and I like that it's kind of low rise and flowy, but to each their own. Definitely recommend a shirt skirt. Love you guys. I'm honestly shocked at how many pieces I found at Target that match the vibe. The first thing I got was this little star print mini dress. I thought this would be so cute for the 4th of July. I feel like it looks so similar to this dress I've had saved at Frankie's Bikinis, and instead of $175, it was only $28. Then the next thing I got was this little white cami top. I love a flowy baby doll top. I thought this would be so cute for summer. Love the lace detailing the buttons. I feel like I'd style this with some white flowy pants and some flip-flops for a cute but casual summer outfit, and this one was only $20. And I also grabbed this white drop waist maxi skirt. I feel like this is one of those pieces that's perfect for vacation. I love how this girl on Pinterest styled it with a white baby tee and some black platforms, and she was only $25. Then the next thing I grabbed was this little white halter mini dress. Clearly, I always gravitate to white clothes in the summer because I feel like it looks so nice with the tan, but I'm obsessed with baby doll dresses. I feel like they're so flattering on everyone. This one has little pockets, it ties in the front, has a halter neckline. I also just love that there's so many ways you can style these. You could wear it with boots, but then you could also always dress it up with sandals or kitten heels, and you really just can't beat $20. Then I've been saving so many outfits with these jelly flats. I think they're the cutest thing for summer. I saw someone say they're just elevated Crocs, and I feel like that's so true. I got the red pair for $20, and I love that they have a memory foam insert so you can actually walk in them comfortably. And then I've had these Miu Miu $925 sandals saved. You cannot tell me that this $20 pair doesn't look identical, and honestly I kind of like these better because they have a little square toe. Also, the fact that I didn't have to pay $900 was nice too. Then finally, the last thing I grabbed was this little white pajama set. I love a matching pajama set. I feel like it's so chic, so cute. And this set that I grabbed honestly reminds me so much of a set I've had saved at Reformation. Obviously it's not identical, but it does have that little lace scallop trim, baby doll flowy fit, and I feel like for the price it'll get the job done. They also had it in blue stripes, and that was super cute too. And that was everything I got at Target today. I was absolutely obsessed with. She's one of my favorite people for outfit inspo, easy to thrift. I started in the jackets and got this long oversized windbreaker trench coat. It's the perfect khaki color just like hers. I love the double buttons. It's perfectly oversized, and I feel like it honestly just looks exactly like the one that she's wearing in the photo. And in the pants, I was on the hunt for a good pair of black capris. And while it looks like there's a lot of capris, they are very hard to sort through. I got this little vintage pair. They have cute buttons, they're lower rise, and I feel like they're very similar to the fit of hers. The leg's not too wide, not too tight. If you don't get the right kind of capris, they do not look good. In the tops, I was looking for a basic white tee, tank. Doesn't really matter what the sleeves were because it was under a jacket. I found the perfect little white baby tee, plain cotton white t-shirt. I feel like it's the perfect baby fit. It reminds me of like a Brandy Melville fit, and I think this is just the perfect basic to finish off the look. In the shoe section, I saw these little black heels. They're not the exact same heels that she has, but to find the exact same heels would be very unlikely. I like these because I feel like they have the same heel height, vintage Franco Sardo. I like the crisscross straps that kind of mimic hers, and I also just feel like this is just a cute pair of heels that I'll wear beyond this outfit. In the sunglasses, I almost never get lucky, but today I did. For only $2.99, I got these super cute little vintage inspired glasses. They're all black like the one she's wearing, and I honestly feel like I've seen her wearing a pair very similar to this before. Then finally in the picture, she's wearing a big oversized black bag. I love the buckle detailing on this one, and I like that the texture is very similar to the texture on the shoes that I got. It's vintage, it's real leather, it's the perfect size. Here's a quick reminder of what her outfit looks like, and this is the outfit that I thrifted. I am so happy with how this turned out. You never are going to get the exact same outfit that someone's wearing, but if you go on Pinterest and find some inspo beforehand, it helps you put together an outfit that maybe you wouldn't have put together in the first place. And the best part is the total cost for everything was under $30. I'm so excited to wear this, and let me know if there's any other outfits you want me to try and thrift.